Today's world is always on. That makes being in command of your power systems an absolute must at all times. With PowerCommand Cloud from Cummins, you have the power to do just that. PowerCommand Cloud puts real-time information about your systems right at your fingertips, anytime, anywhere, allowing you to manage power remotely, make decisions, act quickly to increase response time and reduce downtime. Through your workstation, tablet, or smartphone, this fully integrated cloud-based system allows anyone with security permissions to check status, start, stop, and acknowledge faults, and receive real-time notifications and warnings. PowerCommand Cloud's user-friendly interface also delivers visibility, anytime, anywhere, 24/7 monitoring, on-the-go access, notifications, reporting and analytics, data trending, remote service, and fleet management. All to help drive lower operation and maintenance costs and help provide total peace of mind. This robust solution also stores historical data, allowing you to view and analyze trends in peak usage, load, and error occurrences. Over time, this vital information gives you the ability to optimize resources to enhance your operations, both short and long term. And because PowerCommand Cloud is part of Cummins' integrated power solutions, you're assured of the latest features, benefits, updates, and support. No matter where you are, our 8,000 distributor and dealer locations ensure that everything you need is right nearby. From application assistance to on-site commissioning, troubleshooting, maintenance, and aftermarket services. With PowerCommand Cloud from Cummins, you're assured that in a world that's always powered up, your power is always on.